In this short video, I want to share with you some key considerations in creating a powerful point of difference for your business. A potential customer comes to you and says, I've got a number of options to choose for someone to help me with the next project or the next job. I've got a question for you is, why should I choose you over the other options that I have? Now, if everyone is similar on price, how would you answer that question? Now, when we work with business owners and we ask them that question, usually it's one of two things. They'll say, oh, we do a better job or we offer a better service. And I go, yeah. Everyone says that, yeah? I want you to be clear in how you articulate what we call a point of difference, maybe a value proposition. Because this is the key. Better is not better. Different is better. I'll say that again. Better is not better. And if you want to compete on being better, you'll get swept up in what we call the sea of sameness. But I want you to articulate how you are different. And in a lot of cases, you don't have to be a lot different, but a little different, and have the ability to articulate that clearly to the customer. A few examples could be, and some of our clients are working with these points of difference now. If you engage us to do a job and we don't show up on time, we pay you $200. Now, wouldn't that be a surprising point of difference? Really? You're prepared to back yourself? Because if you have a look at a pain point in engaging a tradie, and this is more in the service maintenance space in a residential type of scenario, you look at a pain point is, well, the person says they're going to be there and they never show up. They say they're going to call and you never hear from them. So you think of the pain points associated with your target customer. How are you going to solve that and make it an absolute no-brainer that they choose you? So imagine that. Could you put your company brand on the line by saying, just want to let you know, our guys will be there on time, otherwise we pay you $200. Or the call-out fee is waived. Whatever it is, there needs to be a risk for you. Otherwise, it's not necessarily a real point of difference. Now, you might have a quality range of products that you utilize that have warranties and guarantees. Now, that may be better, but maybe you could articulate that as being different. I just want to let you know that we choose the quality of our products based on their guarantees and warranties, so that when we work with you, you are only, we're only working with you with the best. That could be a scenario to work with. So these are the types of things to start engaging your thought process. You might have some guarantees of quality on completement. You might say, we put in place a 25-point quality guarantee checklist that we work through with you on the completion of a project, so you are 100% happy before you make that final payment. Now, other businesses may have that quality checklist, but do they articulate it as a point of difference? Again, 3 or 4 little points of difference that you can articulate to a potential customer may be all that is required for them to go, yeah, that's different, I'm happy, and that's the reason why I'm going to choose you. Now, I'm going to suggest that probably 95% of the businesses out there don't know how to quantify or qualify their points of difference. Yeah, so they just slip back into the sea of sameness. Now, if you can articulate your points of difference, go to the pain points of what your customer is dealing with, because the reality is it's not the surface issue that has them choose you. Yes, I want X to be fixed or Y to be done, but can I trust you with certainty to do what you said you were going to do when you said you were going to do it in the manner that you said you were going to do? And if you can have 2 to 3 points of difference, your value proposition, and you can articulate it as being a point of difference, you're pretty much over the line with that as well. So I want you to start thinking about how I can articulate my difference. Am I prepared to put my brand and my company on the line financially? Because the customer needs to know whether you've delivered on it or not. It can't be wishy-washy. It can't be airy-fairy. It needs to be, did it happen or did it not happen? And if it didn't happen, okay, what's at risk for you. So there needs to be what we call that risk reversal. Are you prepared to wear that risk? Put your brand on the line. And when you do, I think what you'll see is a lineup of people wanting to do business with you, because people start to talk. When there's a remarkable point of difference, people love to A, refer people to you, tell their colleagues and friends and family about you at the same time. All the best. And one of the things that we do with clients and would love to support you with is workshopping what could be 3 or 4 points of difference that can have you stand out from the rest.